This video will show us disinfecting chairs and sanitizing upholstery using a hot water method. To start, you will need a general purpose cleaner, disposable towel or microfiber towel, upholstery brush, disinfectant, a vacuum, and not pictured here is a hot water extractor. Step 1. Removal of dry soil. Begin by spraying your general purpose cleaner onto a disposable towel or microfiber towel. Next, thoroughly wipe down all of the hard surfaces of the chair. Step 2. Thoroughly vacuum upholstery or fabric. Now we will be vacuuming the upholstery to remove as much dry soil as possible from the fabric. Step 3. Apply disinfectant. Before applying the disinfectant, please make sure you are wearing the recommended personal protective equipment and you have the correct dispensing unit clearly labeled with the disinfectant you will be using. Start by spraying a light, even mist over the upholstery, and then work your way back onto the hard surfaces of the chair, making sure spray rests on all main touch points of the chair. After you've sprayed the chair down with the disinfectant, use your upholstery brush to gently work in your disinfectant into the fabric of the chair. Step 4. Wipe off disinfectant. After your recommended dwell time is up, using a microfiber towel or disposable towel, wipe off any remaining disinfectant off the hard surfaces of the chair. Step 5. Hot water extraction. Now hot water extract and rinse the upholstery. It's important to remember to not overwet the fabric. Step 6. Rinse disinfectant off hard surfaces of the chair. Start by getting a disposable towel or microfiber towel damp with water. Then wipe down and rinse off any remaining residual or streaks left from the disinfectant.